Is it a good idea to microwave this?
Welcome to Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm George here, but I'm not. So, I'm going to be microwaving spaghetti, because spaghetti is good to microwave. Now we're going to be microwaving the spaghetti in the Jesse Laboratory 2.5, because I say so. Now, we have this beautiful microwave here. Her name? I don't know. I'll call her Sasha, because I had nothing else in mind. So, I'm going to put the spaghetti in here, because for safety concerns, we're going to put a napkin, because we don't want it to break the microwave. Now, we're going to put it in there for 30 seconds. So, it's looking normal so far. I hear some popping sounds. It's looking pretty fatal. I think it's gonna explode and open the door, but I doubt it. I think I should have put it in there for longer, but I think it's put it through much pain already. Well, I guess let's open it. So, let's open the microwave and see what's safe. Let's see how it looks. It's edible. Let's see if it tastes like spaghetti. Alright, let's see here. Yes. Yes, it does look like it tastes like spaghetti. So it is a good idea to microwave this. I'm George Karen, but I'm not.